one word, positive word now, to describe Taoiseach Simon Harris.
Well, his word, energy. That's his word, isn't it? He's certainly making himself very plentiful, which is great. I mean, it's a very important part of the jobs that we do, that you're out, that you're meeting people. I love that part of the job.
Doing a good job?
It's the fun part of it. He's certainly getting about.
Yeah. And Micheál Martin, give your one word.
The question is, the real energy that's required is to kind of solve housing, solve health. So meanwhile, all of this activity is happening, none of the things that actually need to get sorted out are getting sorted out.
One word to describe Micheál Martin, positive?
Micheál Martin. He's got stamina. He's got stamina. He's in political life a long time. He's stood the course. He's continued on and on. Stamina, that's the word.
Energy and stamina.